शङ्करौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। अयुन् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् न्यामाङ्गाण्डं जभै घडदश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चततौ कपै शशसर् हल् अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इक्रियशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गानां नासिका च एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोगो कण्ठौष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम् नासिका अनुस्वारस्य रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर। We will see Srilinga Shabda. So Akaranta Napumsakalinga, Akaranta and Pullinga Napumsakalinga we have seen. Then Hari and Guru in the order. And Napumsakalinga we have seen. Then we will see today Strilinga, starting from Rama Shabda. You know, generally, Strilinga Shabda, generally, not the rule. If the Shabda has got long vowel, could be Strilinga. But Strilinga could be short vowel also. We have many words, Buddhihi, Mati, Shruti, Shruti also, Strilinga, Shakti, all Hrasva E. Okay, so now let us chant this Shabda. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha. Rama Rame Ramaha Ramam, Rame, Ramaha. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhihi. Ramayai, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyaha. Ramayaha, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyaha. Ramayaha, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu. Ramayam, not Ramayam. Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu. He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. So here you remember the forms. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. The same way you will see the Sarvanama Shabda. Dakarantaha, Strilingaha, Tad Shabdaha. In Pullinga, Sahatote. Here, Strilinga in line with Rama Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Sa Te Taha. You can see the connection, right? Sa Te Taha. Tam Te Taha. Ramam, Rame, Ramaha, Tam Te Taha. Ramaya, Taya. Ramaya, Taya. Ramabhyam, Tabhyam. Ramabhihi, Tabhihi. Taya, Tabhyam, Tabhihi. Tasyai, Tabhyam, Tabhyaha. Tasyaha, Tabhyam, Tabhyaha. Tasyaha, Tayoho, Tasam. Tasyam, Tayoho, Tasu. Here Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Tasam. Whereas in Rama, Ramanam. That difference is there. In other places all same. Ramai, Tasyaha, Tasyaha, Ramayam, Tasyam. So Tat Shabda, if you know, then the same way Etat Shabda. Add the letter A before that. Takarantaha, Strilingaha, Etad Shabdaha. Yesha, Ete, Etaha. Dvitiya Bhakti, two forms are there, all Vachanam. If you remember one form, it is enough. Tam Te Taha, Etam Ete Etaha. That like Tat Shabda. Just add A before that. Etam, Enam, Ete, Ene, Etaha, Enaha. Etaya, Enaya, Etabhyam, Etabhihi. Etasyai, Etabhyam, Etabhyaha. Etasyaha, Etabhyam, Etabhyaha. Etasyaha, Etayoho, Enayoho, Etasam. Etasyam, Etayoho, Enayoho, Etasu. You can write these Shabdas in the order. You can keep it for your reference as a homework. Rama Shabda, after that Tat Shabda, Yat Shabda, Kim, whatever Shabda given, same. And yet similarly for Napumsakalinga, similarly for Strilinga. You all have now? Last time you wrote, keep it. Refer that. Then Kim Shabda. Makarantaha, Strilingaha, Kim Shabdaha. Like Tat Shabda. Ka-te-taha, ka-ke-kaha, ka-ke-kaha. Kam-ke-kaha. Kaya, kabhyam, kabhihi. Kasyai, kabhyam, kabhyaha. कस्याः काव्यां काव्यः कस्याः कयोः कासां कस्यां कयोः कासु यत् शब्दः तकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः यत् शब्दः या येयाः यां येयाः यया याभ्यां याभिः. What is the meaning of yaya? Yaya.
By that.
By which?
By which?
By which, right? Yaya vidyaya. Yaya chirat sarva papam epokya. Right? So yaya. Why it's Srilinga? Because vidya is here. Vidyaya. If it is Srilinga, yena. Sorry, Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, yena. Yaya yabhyam yabhihi. Yasyai yabhyam yabhyaha. Yasyaha yabhyam yabhyaha. Yasyaha yayoho yasam. Yasyam yayoho yasu. So this is finished. Right? Then comes Nadi, different. Today, Kaivalya Upanishad. Pravishanti is there. Who is the Karta? Ke Pravishanti. What is the word there in the Upanishad? What's the line? Chant the whole place, not the TV, only with the wrong person. Parenanakam nigitam gugaya vibrajate yatyatayo vishanti. Before that one word I know that. Karmana na prajaya dane natyage neike amrutatvamanashagu. Parenanakam nigitam gugayam vibrajate yatyatayo vishanti. Ke vishanti?
Brahma.
Yatayaha vishanti. Yatayo vishanti is what is the Yatayo vishanti? Yaro vishanti. What is Yatayo vishanti? Sandhi. Sandhi has happened. We are going to see. Yatayaha vishanti. What is Yatayaha?
Seekers.
Meaning not okay. Meaning is okay. Meaning is sannyasi. That's it. Yati. Oh, I don't want to say. Yeah.
Subject.
Yeah. What shabda? What vachanam? What vibhakti? What karaka is that? Huh? Yataya, very good. Yataya, yatayo, yatayaha. We have to form new shabda like Yataya is Gauru Vachanam. Pravishanti is there. Patati, Kadanti, Pravishanti. It can't be Yataya shabda. Otherwise, Yataya, yatayo, yatayaha. Yatayam, yatayana. No, Yati shabda. Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Hari shabdavat. Yati shabdaha. See the Shabda Mantri. Always Shabda Mantri, keep it open. If you have these Shabdas, the order I gave, written neatly in a paper, and staple it, keep it for your reference, easy. You can, Yati, like Hari Shabda, Yatihi, Yati, Yatayaha, Pratamala Bhakti, Bhagavachanam. And Kriyapadam is Pravishanti. Yatayaha Pravishanti. Pravishanti means enter. Avagachanti, Tyartaha. They understand, they want to be Brahma. Pravishanti is not literally entering. Wish dhatu to enter. Sixth gana. Pravishanti. So, Ke Pravishanti, Yatayaha Pravishanti. Okay. What is the place of destination? Huh? Guru. Huh? Oh. See, my question itself has got the answer. Okay. Yes. In the shloka, where is that? Which padam is the place of destination?
Brahman.
Where is Brahma in the Paredana Tumniki Tambugayam Vibrajate Yatayo Vishanti? Where is Brahma in that? Huh? Vishanti is a Kriya padam, for which the Karta is Yatayaha. I am asking what is the place of destination for Guhaya? It is a place of destination. Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. What is the place of destination? Ramaha Vane Vasati. You understand the difference between the two? You saw, right? What is that here? Parena?
Guhaya.
See, I use the word place of destination. So what is that? What does it mean?
Karma.
Karma must be karma. The place of destination. Nakam, simple. Nakam is Swargam, that is Brahma. I mean, Swarga is here Brahma. Naka, Ka, Naka, Aka, Na Aka, Naka. You can keep on adding Nanaka, Ananaka. Anyway, Ka is Swarga, Aka is Dukkha, Ta is Sukam. Then Akam, opposite of that is it's like Dharma, Dharma, Kshara, Kshara. You add the particle A. That is Nanj. Negative meaning, Nanj Purusha Samasa. Kam Sukam, Akam Dukkam, Nakam again Sukam, double negative. Some said twice negative. Same thing. So that is, so Vishanti. Nakam Vishanti. Grammatically if you want to write, Yatayaha Nakam Vishanti. Nakam as though the place of reach. Vedanta there is no reach. Where do you reach? Reach here only. Therefore, Nigitam Guhayam. They reach Nigitam, Stitam. That which is located, Stam, Kutra. Kutra. Now you tell me, Kutra. Kutra. Kutra Pravishanti. What Karaka is that? From the Vibhakti you can tell what Karaka. Guhayam what? Vibhakti. Guhayam. Yeah. Rama Shabdavat. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Jasnavisa, Saptami Ekavachanam. Ramayam is the Saptami Ekavachanam. Gugayam. They enter into the Gurga or enter the Gurga, the cave. Nigitam Gugayam, that which is located in the Gurga. Yatayaha Pravishanti. Nakam, which is located in the Gurga. Yatayaha Pravishanti. You can see the words identify the Vibhakti, Karaka Vibhakti, right? Just don't write only the English translation. You write, identify this also. You should be able to see that Kriya Padam is there, who is the Karta, Yatayaha is there. And Yati we have used many times. In the class also we have used Yati. So Yati, that should occur. Yatayaha you see, Yati. It can't be Yatayaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam because Pravishanti is Bhagavachanam, right? Therefore it must be Yatayaha. Yatayaha is Bhagavachanam. If it is Bhagavachanam, what could be the Shabda? Suddenly should occur. Oh, Hari, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Yatihi, Yati, Yatayaha, right? Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha. Then Sannyasa Yoga, Yatayashuddha Sattvaha. All these are qualifiers. It's all Bhagavri Samasa. We will see Samasa later. Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitaha Artaha Yena Saha. What Vedanta Vijnana? Vedanta Vishayaka Jnanam. That's Paramatma, Atma Jnana. One who has well ascertained knowledge of that. Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchita Artaha Sannyasa Yoga. That is a means. Sannyasa Yoga, Upanishad uses Panchami Vibhakti. Sannyasa Yogena we can say. Nothing wrong. It is a means of attaining. Hetu, see, another thing is that which is the cause is called Hetu, right? Hetu can be Panchami or Tritiya. Hetu can be Panchami or Tritiya. That which is the cause can be Panchami or Tritiya. Hetu Tritiya, Hetu Panchami. Here Sannyasa Yoga is that. Sannyasa Yoga is Karma Yoga, that is a not Karma Yoga. Sannyasa Yoga is a sadhanam. Therefore, Sannyasa Yoga is Jnana sadhanam. Jnana is a sadhanam. So, yoga you can take it as sadhana. Sadhanena, Sannyasa Yoga. What is the next word? Shuddha Sattvaha. Shuddham Sattvam. Sattva is Antakaranam. So, Bhagavri Samasa. Shuddham Sattvam. Yasya Saha. Shuddha Sattvaha. Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha. Okay. Samasa part, leave it out. It's a big thing. Sometimes I also don't know. We have to refer the Bhashyam. Bhashyakar will interpret in a different way. It's very difficult to understand. So Samasa is not up to our, we cannot play with the Samasa. Only to some extent. Other things that we can know only from the Bhashyam. And Upanishad has got the privilege to use. Samasa rules are there. When we form any samasa, we have to follow the rule. That does Upanishad doesn't have to do that. Okay, here. Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha. Identify the word. What is the word? It goes along with Yatayaha. Yatayaha, what vibhakti? He is a karta. Yati is a karta. Yatihi, yati, yatayaha. So, Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachanam. This also goes along with that adjective. Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha Shuddha Sattvaha Yatayaha Nakam Gogayam Nihitam Nakam Pravishanti. Sentence form. Right? So Yatayaha is the Karta Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam and the qualifier is Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha. Then what is the Pratipadikam? Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. What is the Pratipadikam? Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitarta Akarantaha Pullingaha Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitarta Shabdaha Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartau Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitartaha. That is what is that? Similarly, Shuddha Sattva Akarantaha Pullingaha Shuddha Sattva Shabdaha Rama Shabdavat Shuddha Sattvaha Shuddha Sattvau Shuddha Sattvaha. It is there the mantra? One mantra. Clear? If you can identify this, it means you know. You are into the stream now. Slowly you can identify the word, identify the Kriya Padam and Nama Padam, what they will be and all. Is it difficult to identify? Yeah, but the words you are familiar now. Yati, you have to be familiar. Yataha is identify that. Then connect the other words. The sentence, see, if two words are the same vibhakti in a sentence, then what will be the relation? Visheshana Visheshya. Adjective, substantive, that is the relation. Yatayaha Bhagavachanam is there, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. And other words are qualifiers. Qualifier is the Yati, the sage, the Muni, Sannyasi. Right? You do homework. Go identify, practice, form sentences, simple sentences. Right? Okay, now let us do. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Nadi Shabdaha Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha Nadim Nadyau Nadihi. Tritiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam Nadihi is there. Similarly, in Rama Shabda, Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha is there. So don't take it as a first case. This confusion will come. A sentence. Nripaha Prajaha Rakshati. What is Prajaha there now? Nripaha Prajaha Rakshati. Kaha Rakshati? Nripa. Who is Nripa? In the, what karka? Therefore, Nripaha Pratama Vibhakti Rakshati. What is Prajaha Rakshati? Progeny. Praja is the citizens.
Oh,
Need not always be progenies.
karma.
For the king, okay, of course they are the progenies. Considered to be children. Prajasa. Prajaha is what? Dvitiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam, it is karma. Prajaha is that, don't think it is karta, Pratama Bhakti. No. So this confusion can come. You have to be familiar with the Shabda, then only you will know what it is. Praja is Akaranta Srilinga, that you must know. Then only you will identify Prajaha is karma. Right? Similarly, Nadihi here also. Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi. Nadyai, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha. Nadyaha, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha. Nadyaha, Nadyoho, Nadinam. Nadyam, Nadyoho, Nadishu. He Nadi, He Nadyo, He Nadyaha. Sambodhana, it will be Rasva, He Nadi. He Saraswati, Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupini. It is not Saraswati Namastubhyam. It It is Sambodhana. You are addressing Saraswati. Hey Saraswati. She is not the Karta. Who is the Karta? You are the Karta. You are offering Namaskara. Hey Saraswati. Aham Namami. From Namami. Right? Okay. This also, Rati Shabdam also you can compare with Rama Shabda. To some extent it is similar. See the similarity and remember this. Yes.
So in this Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan, at the end, in some Shabda it's coming Nadi and Sakara Su.
We will see that later. That is the rule is there. Because of that rule, that Pratyaya Sakara. Nadi is a Shabda and the Sakara, I mean that what comes, it's because of the Pratyaya. Pratyaya added to that. I told what Pratyaya is that? Sup is a Pratyaya. That Sakara, that Pratyaya Sakara undergoes changes. That is called Shatvam. Sakara becoming Shakara. Nakara becoming Nakara. We saw. Remember? Ramena. Remember? Yes or no? Ramena. That is called Natvam. I just give one possibility, but there are so many rules are there. For Natvam, similarly for Shatvam. This, I can give you one hint. If the preceding letter is A or A, then Sakara will be there. If it is other than A or A, then Shu will be there. Ramasu, Rama, A is there, therefore Su. Harishu, E is there, which is not A or A, therefore Shu. Then Rameshu, A is there, becomes Shu. Nadi, E is there, Nadi Shu. So whenever A or A is there, right, Su will remain as it is.
Akarant or Akarant?
Let us not say not Akaranta. A or the letter A, if it precedes that Su, Su will remain as it is. Sakara will remain as it is. If it is other than that, Shu. Shakara will replace it. Okay. Fine. This is important. Another important Shabda. Need to memorize. No other code. Okay. Only one Shabda for first person. Only one Shabda for Uttama Purusha. Only one Shabda. For Madhyama Purusha, there is only one Shabda. So this also to be the list of Shabdas, whatever I gave. We cannot chant every day all the Shabdas. From tomorrow onwards, only Asma Shabda and Yushma Shabda only we will chant. Right? Other Shabdas, I assume that you know. Every day we chant, for 45 minutes we will be chanting the same thing. Takarantaha asmat shabdaha trishu lingeshu samana rupaha. Here also see. Takarantaha asmat shabdaha trishu lingeshu samana rupaha. Here is a Kriya Padam. Asti can supply. Kaha asti? Shabdaha asti. Asmat shabdaha asti. What is Asmat Shabdaha? It is Dakaranta, qualifier. Asmat is a Dakara Antaha. The Shabda ending with Dakara. Dakaraha Antaha Yasya Shabdasya Asmat. Asmat Shabdasya. So Asmat Shabdaha is one word, okay? They are given within quote. Asmat Shabdaha. Asmat Shabdaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Pratipadikam is Asmat Shabda. Asmat Shabdaha. Asmat Shabdau, Asmat Shabdaha, Dakarantaha, Dakarantau, Dakarantaha, Samana Rupaha, Samana Rupau, Samana Rupaha. So Bhavanti. So Samana Rupa, Shabdaha Bhavati. Samana Rupaha, all these are Ekavachanam. So Asmat Shabdaha Bhavati. What is the qualifier? Dakarantaha and Samana Rupaha. With Samana Rupa with what? Trishu Lingeshu. In all the three lingas, with regard to all the three lingas, this is Saptami. Adhikarana, it's not Adhikarana, we call it as a Vishaya Saptami, we will talk about that later. With regard to any particular subject matter, we say Vishaya Saptami. With regard to this is what we translate. So, in the context of the linga, in all three lingas, Asmat Shabda will have the same form. So all these are Pratama Vibhakti. Dakarantaha, Asmat Shabdaha, Samana Rupaha. You know which is an adjective and which is a substantive. Right? Trishu Lingeshu, with regard to three lingas, they have the same form. Asti, you can supply. This is the description of the noun base, Pratipadikam. Then the declension starts. Aham avam vayam. Mama avam no. Asmanaha. Maya avabhyam asmadhihi. Mahyam me avabhyam no. Asmabhyam naha. Asmabhyam naha. Mat avabhyam asmat. Mama me avayoho no. Asmakam naha. Mayi avayogo asmasu. Asmasu. Su only remained, not asmashu. Preceding letter is A, therefore. Then Makarantaha, sorry, this is not required. This, see, item also we did, but can skip that. Yushmad Shabda. Takarantaha Yushmad Shabdaha Trishalingeshu Samana Rupaha. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Tvam Tva Yuvam Vam Yushman Vaha. Naha is Pratama Purusha, sorry, Uttama Purusha, Vaha is Padima Purusha. Remember, the Shabda you will see many times, Naha and Vaha. Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmabhihi. Tubhyam te Yuvabhyam Vam Yushmabhyam Vaha. Yushmabhyam. Tvat Yuvabhyam Yushmat. Tavate Ivayoho Vam Yushmakam Vaha. Tvayi Ivayoho Yushmasu. Yes. Up to this, you must know. Next one, we'll see. This time, we'll introduce new Shabdas. Idam already we know. I'm skipping that idam. Then Pitra also we saw, right? So we will do it tomorrow. Now, please do this. Let's quick revision of Sandhi, 5 Sandhis, 7 Sandhi rules, what we saw yesterday. And those who want to do on the board, please come. Tadeyam. What sandhi is that? A or A followed by, what's the rule? Now what letter to follow? Ik letter. Then Purva Parayo Stane, in the place of Purva as well as in the Para. Kaha Adeshaha, Gunaha Adeshaha. Ka, that A and E is there. A plus E become A. So therefore, Tadeyam. Tadeyam. Tada plus Yam. Tadeyam. Ya plus Ime. What's that?
Same.
Tadeyam.
Yeme.
A plus E will become
Yeme.
A. Therefore, Yeme. 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 Next one. Putrau agacchataha.
Ayava.
Huh?
Putra. Two options are there.
Putra va gacchataha, right?
Or putra gacchata.
This is one. Applying what sandhi?
Ayava.
Ayava sandhi. Putra va gacchataha. Then, or otherwise, what will happen?
Putra.
Here, putra is there plus
Gacchata.
agacchataha. So vakara is there, padanta vakara, right? What is putra? Putraha putra. It's a padam. Agacchataha, you know, it's a kriya padam. So therefore, gacchati, gacchataha. So gacchataha, agacchataha, agacchati, agacchataha. Returns, comes back. So putra is a padam, therefore vakara is a padanta vakara. Preceded by a, followed by what should follow? Ash. Therefore vakarasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore you have the form putra agacchata. After that we should not do sandhi, because here vakara is there. Vakara is there. So don't do the sandhi. Vakara is hidden now. It is hidden. So putra agacchataha. Next one. Nripa plus Aishwarya. What sandhi is that? So what is the form? Nripa. A plus, what is the rule? What is the rule? A followed by H letter. So it becomes Nripaishwarya. Next one is simple. Anu plus Adesha. What sandhi is that?
Avadesha.
N sandhi. U followed by that is ik followed by asavarna h. Then ik will be replaced by n. Therefore an. And who is replaced by vakara? Then va adesha. Right? Right? Clear? So you all know swara sandhi now. So now we can comfortably move on to the next sandhi. Right? Yesterday we saw now the padanta sakara. Padanta sakara becomes repa. This sakara is a vipratyaya sakara. Now this repa, what repa is it? Padanta sakara is replaced by repa. Now padanta repa. And padanta repa will be replaced by Visarga. This was the example. Rama, yesterday I gave one example. Patataha, right? Now, if Visarga, if Repa is followed by, a kar letter, what is a kar letter? Hard consonant. Kha, pa, cha, ta, ta, chatatau, kapai, shakasar, the 13 letters, kar letter. If Repa is followed by the kar letter, Repa will be replaced by Visarga. So remember this. Padanta Repa is replaced by Visarga or repa followed by a kar letter replaced by visarga. Only kar letter. If it is followed by a harsh letter, something will happen. Right? Clear this? Repa followed by the kar letter. Now, Rama is the Pratipadikam. And the pratyaya corresponding to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Sakara, Pratyaya Sakara. Right? The pratyaya corresponding to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam will be called Supratyayas, the list of pratyayas. Right? So it becomes Ramas. What is Ramas now? It's a Padam. Because we know Sup ending, Ting ending is a Padam. Right? Padam is that which ends with Supratyaya or Ting Pratyaya. And Sakara being a Supratyaya, therefore Ramas is a Padam. Now Sakara is a Padanta Sakara. What Sakara? It's a Padanta Sakara, therefore Sakara will be replaced by Repa. And this Repa, because it is Padanta Repa, therefore it is replaced by Visarga. Suppose if it is followed by another word, Ramaha Kadati, then Repa is followed by a kar letter, therefore becomes Ramaha Kadati. Right? But all we are going to say is, now we are going to assume that in the place that is Visarga will come. The example what we are going to see. When we study Pranami, the Sutra, there it is different. But I am presenting in a different way because this is how in all the books are given. So I will present this way. Later you will understand. So now Ramaha is born, right? Ramaha is there. Now this Ramaha followed by a kar letter. Followed by a kar letter. So what? Let us say Kadati is there. What will happen? A kar letter. Already Visarga is there. Actually Visarga has come. How it has come? Because Repa is there. Right? And Repa is followed by a kar letter, Kadati. And also Repa happens to be a Padanta Repa. Therefore Repa is replaced by Visarga. Clear? Is it clear? So Ramaha Kadati. Now Visarga is there. Visarga is born now. Visarga is there. Now we are going to talk about the changes happening to Visarga. We are going to change happening to Visarga. Here in this Rama, we can take it as the Padanta Repa has become Visarga, and this Visarga is going to change. Is going to change. That is what we are going to see. Visargaha, when followed by, first let us take kar letter, what happens? Visarga, when followed by kar letter, what will happen? We are going to see. What are the kar letters? Ka, Ka, Pa, Cha, Ta, then Cha, Ta, Cha, and Cha, Ta, Sa. These are the kar letters. The 13 kar letters. When Visarga is followed by any of this kar letter, what is going to happen? We are going to see. Now, when Visarga is followed by a kar letter, we say Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Visarga is replaced by sakara. That is a general rule. You can see. Visarga when followed by the kar letter, visarga will be replaced by sakara. Now kar letters, the 13 kar letters are there. Under that, first let us take shar letter. Shar is part of a kar or not? Is it a part of subset of kar? Shar is a part of kar. Therefore, now if shar letter follows, then we say the replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. The replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. Can you see? These are the kar letters. Now visarga is there. Visarga is gone. When followed by kar letter, what is going to happen? We are going to see. So this is kar. When kar letter follows, this visarga will be replaced by sakara. That is a rule. Visarga when followed by kar letter will be replaced by sakara. Now the next rule says shar. Shar is a subset of kar. When shar letter follows, when followed by the shar letter, replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. It means visarga will remain as it is or can be replaced by sakara. When there are two forms. Example, let us say Ramar plus Shete. Ramar plus Shete. Right? So now Repa is followed by kar letter. Repa is followed by kar letter. Therefore, what will happen? Sakara, not sakara. Visarga comes. The visarga is there. Ramaha, Shete. Then visarga now followed by. Now visarga is born, and this visarga is born of Repa, and Repa is born of visarga. Know the root. Okay. Now this visarga, when followed by the kar letter, here the kar letter is shakara. What we say is Ramaha Shete. Visarga is replaced by visarga as it is. Or visarga is replaced by sakara optionally. So Ramas Shete. It is Ramas Shete, right? So we have two forms. Ramaha Shete or Ramas Shete. You all understand this? So now, after this we cannot stop. We cannot stop. Huh? What is the question?
Why sakara and no shakar?
Why?
Why sakara and no shakar?
That's what I'm going to say, not it.
Okay.
I'm saying that sakara will not remain as it is. Sakara will not remain as it is. So therefore, another rule walks in. That rule says, sakara when followed by shakara. We will deal with this rule in detail later, but now you understand. Sakara when followed by the sakara or mudane shakara. Sakara when followed by Shakara or Murdhani. First you understand this, then we will see these rules separately, detail. Different possibilities are there, here we'll see. Sakara when followed by Shakara or Shakara, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara or Murdhani Shakara. When Sakara is followed by Shakara, then this will be the replacement. If Sakara is followed by Murdhani Shakara, then Sakara will be replaced by Murdhani Shakara. So, then you get, so now the Sakara is followed by Shakara, therefore what happens? Becomes Ramash Shete. I am explaining this in a simple way. Many things, rules are there. I am skipping that. First you understand this. When you come across these such words, you should be able to split. For that, first you have this understanding. Sakara, when followed by these sibilants. What are these? These are sibilants. Sha, sha. Ha, you leave it. Ha, you leave it. Sakara, when followed by the sibilant, Shakara, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. When followed by Murdhani Shakara, Sakara will be replaced by Murdhani Shakara. Right? Probably you would have studied separately. Shtutvam, Shtutvam, right? Yes? Have you studied that? No? Very good. Okay, David, no problem. So we will study. First you understand this. Is it clear? Now this is example for Visarga when followed by the shar letter. Visarga when followed by shar letter. Let us take another example. Ramaha plus Shashtaha. Right? Some example, something follows. Shakara should follow. So what will happen now here? Visarga is followed by what letter? Sha is what letter? Kar letter. And within kar letter it is a shar letter. Right? Therefore, Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. Ramas Shashtaha. Now Sakara is followed by Murdhani Shakara. So therefore, Sakara will be replaced by Ramash Shashtaha. So many Shakaras are there. Clear? So, Visarga followed by Kar replaced by Sakara and Sa. Within that, Shar is a subset of Kar. When Shar letter follows Visarga replaced by Sakara is optional. Therefore, we have two forms. Right? Either you can Ramaga Shashtaha, you can leave it as it is. Ramaga Shashtaha, you can leave as it is. Or when you join, you become Rama Shashtaha. Clear? Here I am joining this. This is Ramaha Shashtaha is okay. In your Gita book and all, you will find like this. They will give like this. They will not have done the Sandhi. But when we chant, we do. Right? Like this example I gave, no? The Vedic chanting. How do you say? Shantihi, then Shantihi, then Shantihi. Here Visarga is there. But how do you chant? Shantish, Shantish. From where Shakara comes? Visarga followed by Shakara. It's a kar letter. Therefore Visarga is replaced by Sakara. And Sha follows. Therefore replace it by Shakara. Therefore you say Shantish. We do it. In Gita and other books, everywhere you will find that Visarga will be there. This is all they will give. But we chant. We do Sandhi and chant. If it is at the end of a quarter, no problem. That because we give a pause, right? Like I must meet in the Gita, when we chant, Dharma Kshetre, Guru Kshetre, we pause. Therefore, Visarga can be pronounced. If it is within the quarter, then we change the Visarga into corresponding letter. Clear? All of you. So, when followed by Shar, this replacement of Visarga by Sakara or Shakara. So, out of the 13 letters, now, this is Sha, Sha, Sa is not there. Sha, Sha, Sa. These three we are seeing, right? Then followed by Kar letter we are seeing Totally, right? Visarga followed by kar, we are saying. Within that, when shar letter follows, what will happen? We have seen. Clear? Now, when followed by this ka or kha, what will happen? Nothing happens. Visarga will remain as it is, or replace it by Ardha Visarga. Ramaha. I'm just going one step before. Ramas, 2 steps before. Ramas plus Kadati. Actually, what was that? Ramas. Now, Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Padanta Repa becomes Visarga, followed by a kar letter. Followed by a kar letter, what will happen? We saw that also. Repa followed by kar letter, what will happen? Repa followed by kar letter, what will happen? Visarga, just twice we saw, right? So it becomes Visarga. So now Visarga is born. Ramaha Kadati, right? Now what will happen to Visarga? Now Visarga is there followed by a kar letter. It has to change. What we say is, when followed by the letters Kakara or Kakara, replacement of Visarga is going to be replaced, but it is optional. Either Visarga will remain as it is, or Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga. This Ardha Visarga can be pronounced. You know the sound is, what sound?
Is this rule number 13?
It is going, yeah, 12. So, Visarga will remain as it is, or Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga, which what we chant in the chanting of Jikhva Muliya. Kakaha. Right? That Jikhva Muliya. Jikhva Muliyasya, Jikhva Mulyam. When does it happen? When it is followed by the letter Ka or Kha. So, Visarga will remain as it is, or Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga, that is called Jikhva Muliya, Ramak Kadati. So, among the kar letter, Shar we have seen, Kha also we have seen. 5 letters over. Is it clear? Yes? Now, we'll take the next one. Pa and Pa. Pa and Pa. When followed by the kar letter, Pakara or Pakara, Visarga will remain as it is, or will be replaced by Ardha Visarga. Example, Ramaha Patati. Either Ramaha Patati or Ramaf Patati. That sound is Ardha Visarga, when followed by Pa or Pa is called Upadmaniya. That also in chanting we use Upadmaniya. Ardha Visarga can be pronounced. That's why that sound comes. Right? Ramaf Patati. Chanting we do. Any example from chanting? Jagatah Pitaro. You chant, no, this shloka? Jagatah Pitaro Vande. Jagatah Pitaro. Visarga followed by the kar letter Pa. Therefore, Jagatah Pitaro. But how do we write? Jagatah Pitaro we write. We can chant Jagatah Pitaro or Jagatah Pitaro. Up to you. Right? But Ardha Visarga generally it is comes in chanting and they pronounce it. In some books you will find the Ardha Visarga printed. Is it clear? So among the kar letters now we have seen Sha, Sha, Sa, Ka, Kha and Pa, Pa. Please note this. Up to this, today what we saw, one is Padanta Sakara becomes Repa, we saw, and Repa, Padanta Repa becomes Visarga. Visarga when followed by the kar letter replaced by Visarga, and this Visarga going to change depending on what follows. First we are talking about kar letter. When kar letter follows, what will happen? Among the kar letter, first is talking about sakara. When kar letter follows utsarga, the general rule is visarga is replaced by sakara. That is the general rule. And within the general there is an extension given. That is, when followed by shall, replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. Whenever we say optional means you will have two forms. You can eat an apple or you can eat orange. Choice is there. Whoever has a white dress, they can have this choice. Others, only apple. So here what choice is there? Two forms. Right? So only two forms are there. When followed by shar letter. And followed by ka or kha, either visarga will remain as it is or replaced by ardha visarga, which is called ikhuamuliya. When followed by pa or pa, visarga or upadmani. It's clear? Now what are the letters left out? Cha cha, ta tha, ta tha. 6 letters are left out. We will see tomorrow. Clear? Is it clear now, all of you? Prida?
This is all this is part of rule number
10.
10. All this rule number
We are talking about what happens when visarga followed by kar. Later we will talk visarga followed by hash, soft consonant. Now we are talking about visarga followed by hard consonants, kar letter.
So why have you given different numbers to these?
It's okay. The different rules, different numbers. This is my number. This is no rule to it. Okay. When do we, for this example, we will take Gita and do. But we cannot take Gita immediately and do. I have to cover some more rules. You need to remember all the rules. Then apply those rules in the Gita and we will do splitting of that. Right? First you need to remember this. Make this thing very clear in your mind. Then we will take up Gita or any text. We will split. Followed by kar, what will happen to visarga? That's the topic. Right? Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyawad. Any doubts? Because time for lunch, that's why you can go. Anybody having doubts, you can ask me after the class. Or you can ask me. Yes? Just now I closed, I think 1 minute. Rule number 9. One minute, I'm opening that. Tell me. Which one? Rule number 9. Oh, okay. This is A and B. 9A, 9B, okay. I'm giving it. Huh? Oh, come on, this is free. Oh, this is a problem, huh? I don't know. Everything in Samskrtam. Numerals are in Samskrtam. Sima, this is all in Samskrtam. Because the whole font is, now I have put it in Samskrtam, okay. Well, correct it now. This is rule number 9A. Clear. I think I have to change it. It has nothing to do with the preceded way. No. Okay. You note this. This is nothing to send. This is I think everything will be given later. First you understand this, and then I will give you. The whole summary I will give you.